We finally got our first look at Apple's first foldable iPhone. And honestly, this isn't what anyone expected. Instead of copying Samsung or Google, Apple went in a completely different direction, and it might be one of the smartest foldable designs we've seen. Leaked CAD renders show the iPhone Fold measures roughly 120.6 mm tall and 83.8 mm wide when folded. That's extremely wide and short compared to other foldables. The outer display is just 5.49 inches, intentionally smaller than competitors like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 or Google Pixel Fold. Apple isn't trying to replace the iPhone 18 Pro Max. This is a small flagship device designed to fill a unique gap in their lineup. Open it up, and the inner display jumps to around 7.7 inches, making it more of a tablet-first device than a phone that folds. The aspect ratio is close to an iPad mini, which improves horizontal space, video viewing, and multitasking. Unlike Samsung's foldables, Apple is optimizing this for practical tablet usage, not just novelty. The Fold will reportedly be 4.8 mm thin when unfolded, even thinner than the iPad mini and iPhone Air. Apple brought back Touch ID for the first-generation foldable and includes a full immersive display with under-display camera technology, high-resolution panel, and Apple's most advanced camera system. Essentially, it's a foldable iPad mini with flagship iPhone capabilities. However, production challenges remain. Apple is reportedly finalizing the hinge design and aiming for a crease-free display, which could push availability into 2027. If delayed, competitors like the Galaxy Z Fold the 8th of May get ahead, making the first-gen iPhone Fold feel less complete. This is Apple's boldest foldable yet, but timing will be everything. Subscribe for the latest iPhone Fold leaks, hands-on looks, and Apple news.